Activating your Shield Illinois Self-Collection Test Kit in the Point and Click Patient Portal. Your testing site will provide you with a kit for self-collection which includes a vial, a cap, a funnel, a label, and alcohol wipe, and a specimen bag with an absorbent pad, as well as an instruction sheet for providing a saliva specimen. Follow the instructions to provide your saliva sample. Once you have deposited your saliva sample in the vial and tightly closed the cap, log into the Point and Click Patient Portal. This is the same way you log in to view your results from previous Shield tests. Enter your username and password and click the Proceed button. If you do not have an account, you can create an account using the Sign Up for an Account button. Enter the agency code for your testing location to begin the sign-up process. Upon login, you will see the main menu. The second option will be a button for Self-Collection COVID Kit. Click on this option to register your saliva sample. If you do not have this option, you will need to add the agency you are attempting to test with to your account. Instructions on how to do this be found on the Shield knowledge base. In the Self-Collection COVID Kit module, you will first see this screen. Your sample must be delivered to your drop-off location within 12 hours. Please be sure to review the drop-off instructions and hours specific to your site, as this will help you plan the best time for procuring your specimen. Click on Continue. The next screen will prompt you to enter the location that issued your self-collection kit and to enter the specimen number and test kit number. First select the correct location. Then look at the label that was provided in your collection kit. This label has 2 numbers. The specimen number begins with 2 letters and is 9 characters long. The kit number is clearly indicated on the label and is 5 numbers long. Enter your specimen number followed by your kit number. Please double-check that both fields have been completed correctly. You will then answer a few questions required by the CDC. At the bottom of the page, you will see a button that reads Submit to activate your self-collected COVID test. This is very important. Your test is not submitted until you click this button. Click on Submit to activate your self-collected COVID test. This will connect your specimen with the label from your test kit. Once you have clicked this button, wrap provided self-accession label vertically around collection vial and place into the biohazard bag. Make sure the vial is sealed tightly. You may use the provided alcohol wipe to wipe the vial. Do not remove the absorbent material from the bag. Again, review the instructions provided by your site and deliver your specimen during the specified times. Please note that if these instructions are not followed correctly, your sample cannot be processed. Results will be available in the patient portal once the test has been processed. Please allow for 24 to 48 hours for resulting.